Now let's take a look at the vial washer machine in motion. The machine is fed with vials manually by the operator who supplies the machine with vials via the loading plate to the infeed belt, and thus to the infeed rotary table. The vials are supplied onto the continuously rotating rotary table. They are buffered on the rotary table up to a certain quantity. The guide rails divert the vials to the outer rim of the rotary table. The guide rail at the infeed of the rotary table is designed so that fallen vials are pushed out and drop into a collection bin. A sensor installed at the discharge track of the infeed rotary table detects the vial feed situation at the rotary table discharge optically. When the sensor detects that the vial supply is too low, the machine comes to a position stop and the corresponding message is displayed at the operating panel. When the sensor detects enough vials again, the fault message is automatically cleared and the machine resumes operation. The vials then successively reach the discharge lane to the transfer wheel. The transfer wheel guides the vials arriving from the infeed rotary table to the lifting wheel. The lifting wheel lifts the vials to the height of the transport system in the cleaning area and also changes the vial transport direction. The vials are transferred from the lifting wheel to the transport grippers. The transport grippers are opened via cams and are then closed again after they have picked up the vials. At the gripper inversion station, the whole gripper unit is turned with the vials so that their openings face downwards, and the cleaning needles of the subsequent cleaning stations can enter the vials. During the continuous rotational movement of the gripper plate, the needle holder at the cleaning stations for the vial interior rises, and the rinsing needles enter the vials from below. Not only is the vial interior cleaned, but also the vial exterior. For this purpose, the machine is equipped with stations for rinsing and blow cleaning and drying the vials. At the gripper inversion station, the whole gripper unit is turned with the vials through 180 degrees once more so that the openings of the vials point upwards again, ensuring correct vial orientation for the supply of the vials to the machine downstream. After the vials have been cleaned, the transport grippers open, and the vials are transferred into the transport recesses of the discharge wheel. A vial counter sensor is installed in the discharge wheel counter guide. The passing vials are detected mechanically. The electric pulses generated are used to update the vial counter. The transport direction changes again, and the vials are transferred to the discharge belt and are then conveyed to the machine downstream. Now let's watch the entire sequence of the vial washing processing steps.